Hi students, in this video we are going to learn CBSE class 10 quadratic equations problem from R.D. Sharma book. Children, if you want some more videos for CBSE, you can watch our other channel Kalviken. Now let's start our session. Solve by factorization method. Root 3x squared plus 10x plus 7 root 3 is equal to 0. This is a question from R.D. Sharma. Children, see here they are asked you to solve by factorization method. So first step, you have to multiply this first number and this last number. Constant and the coefficient of x squared should be multiplied. So root 3 multiplied by 7 root 3 we are multiplying. We know that root 3 into root 3 will be 3. So 7 into 3 will give you 21. Now we are going to find the factors for 21. Now we need to find the two numbers. While we are multiplying, 21 should come. While we are adding, 10x should come. Very simple. 7 into 3 will give you correctly. 7 3s are 21. If you add 7 and 3, definitely 10 will come. That is our middle term. So we are going to replace the 10x by 7x and 3x. So first term and the last term should be keep as it is to do the factorization method. So the root 3 x squared you keep as it is. And the plus 7 root 3 also keep as it is. The 10x alone should be replaced with these factors 7 and 3. So here along with the x you should take 7x plus 3x. So that means 10x is split it into 7 plus 3. That is the meaning for that. Now from these two we have to take a common term outside. Root 3 and 7 there is no common. X squared and x there is a x common term. So take x outside. Now the remaining is root 3. From the x squared 1x we have taken out. So remaining one more x will be stay inside. Plus here the remaining is 7 because x has been taken outside. Plus from these two 3 and this is 7 root 3. Children, keep it in your mind. 3 is nothing but root 3 into root 3 because root 3 into root 3 will give you 3. So here we have 2 times root 3. Here we have 1 time root 3. So we can take a root 3 outside. Now here from this 3, if you take a root 3 outside, one more root 3 will stay inside. That is the meaning for that. This x also will be taken as it is. This plus sign. The root 3 we have taken out. The remaining is 7. Now if you multiple this root 3, the question will come correctly. Root 3 into root 3 will be 3x. Root 3 into 7 will be 7 root 3. Now the bracket, inside the bracket, whatever we are written, that should be the same. Root 3x plus 7, root 3x plus 7. So we can take 1 root 3x plus 7 as a common term. Now the remaining here is x, here is root 3. So x plus root 3 we can take. Actually they are asked you to equal to 0. So we can write it equal to 0. That can be taken in all the steps. Equal to 0. Now the first term we are equating 0 first. Root 3x plus 7 equal to 0. Same way x plus root 3 is equal to 0. So here root 3 x is equal to plus 7. If you bring it to that side, that is a minus 7. X is equal to multiplication root 3. If you take it to other side, that will be divisional root 3. 7 by root 3 we can take. Now x is equal to plus root 3. If we take it to that side, minus root 3 we are getting. Now we are getting the two answer. One is 7 by root 3 or we can getting minus root 3. Any quadratic equation if you solve, we are getting two roots. So we can write it x is equal to minus 7 by root 3 and minus root 3 are two roots of the quadratic equation or given equation we can write it. That is your correct answer. Now look at the next question. Here the root number is given as a middle term. In the first sum they have given the root value at the ends. Here the root value is given in the middle term. Let's see how to solve this. As it is the first step to factorize, we have to multiply the first number and the last number. So 1 into minus 6, minus 6. Now minus 6 is our term. We need to find the two factors so that while you are multiplying, minus 6 should come. While you are subtracting, here minus sign is there, no? So while we are subtracting, 2 root 2 should come. So we need to find the two numbers. So keep this in your mind. Here in between number is consist of root 2. So we are damn sure both the numbers should have the root 2 value. Then only while you are subtracting, that answer will come to 2 root 2 actually. Now root 2 into root 2 actually 2. So 2 is already available. Now we have to write only the 3. Now 3 root 2 into root 2 if you multiple, definitely 6 will come. 3 root 2 into root 2, na root 2 and root 2 will multiple by 2. So 2 3s are 6. So 3 root 2 and 1 root 2 if we take, while you are subtracting also 2 root 2 will come correctly. So we need plus 2 root 2. So let us take the big number as a plus and the small number as the minus. So while you are subtracting, definitely plus 2 root 2 will come. So these are all the factors that we are going to replace in the middle term. So let us take the first term and the last term as it is. So this is 1x squared. 2 root 2x will be replaced as plus 3 root 2x and minus 1 root 2x. And the last term also should be taken as it is and equal to 0. From the first two terms, we are taking the common term outside. X squared and x, so x is a common. Now from the x squared, we have taken the x outside. One more x will be staying inside. Now this plus sign. We have taken this x outside. The remaining is 3 root 2. And from these two, we can take the minus sign outside because both are consist of minus sign. We can take it outside. Now here we have root 2. Here we have 6. So definitely we have to take the root 2 outside. So here what you should think is 6 is available. 6 can be splitted into 3 2s are 6 you think. Now this is 3. The 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. So we can say that inside the 6 we consist of 3 root 2 and root 2. So we can take the root 2 outside. So take the root 2 outside. Now the remaining is x in the first term. And since we have taken the minus sign outside, put the plus inside. From the 6, only 1 root 2 went outside. So remaining is 3 root 2. That should be written here. Always the bracket which we are written for the first two terms will be equal to the next terms. That is the correct value. So here also we are getting x plus 3 root 2. Here also we are getting the same. So take that outside. X plus 3 root 2. And open the bracket. Here the extra term what we have taken out is x. Here we have taken out is minus root 2. So x minus root 2 which is equal to 0. So both the term we have to equal to 0. So that is x plus 3 root 2 equal to 0 or x minus root 2 equal to 0 we should take. Now x is equal to plus 3 root 2. If you take it to that side minus 3 root 2. And this is x is equal to minus root 2. If you take it to that side that is a plus root 2. So we are getting the two roots, that is the roots for the given equation. So we can write it x is equal to minus 3 root 2 and x is equal to root 2 are two zeros of the quadratic equation. We can write it, that is our correct solution. If you feel the video is useful to you, please share with your friends also. Subscribe our channel for more videos.